Hey guys, I'm gonna do an unboxing of my iPhone 12 Pro Max, gold color in front of you guys. Here's an here's my older 12 Pro Max. But yeah, I didn't do an unboxing for that one, so I want to unbox this for you guys so you can see what the packaging is and everything. Okay, let's do this. So here's the tab that you could just pull. So here it all comes off, and there it is. There's an iPhone symbol, Apple logo, iPhone again, and there's that slight, like a color on the site that kind of tells you what color it is. So if it's gold, then it's gonna obviously be gold, and if it's blue, I believe this is blue. There it is. Boom. Look at this baby. Okay, I'm gonna pull the tab and see what else is underneath. So if you look here, there's this, it comes with the cable obviously, and then there's designed by Apple. So it's got a SIM tray, a couple of stickers, and then there's this, I don't know what this is, safety and handling. Yeah, I'm gonna put this back in. And here it says designed by Apple in California. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this on the side for now. Okay, let's go back to the phone. So here's the phone. Man, this thing is shiny. Oh my god. So it's like a subtle gold color. It's not very, like, it's not like super gold. Definitely not like the sides. Like if you look at the sides, like see how it stands out. It's very glossy. It's very in your face type of gold. It's very shiny. And like, you know how Apple used to make rose gold? Those used to be like little pinkish. This is not like that. This is like super gold color. And then there's that volume up and down button. There's that which is standard in all iPhones right now. This toggle that you can go up and down to like pause notifications and stuff. This is your power button. And this is the, I don't know what this is. Is that SIM tray? Yeah, I have to, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to find out what this is. Okay, so let's do the, yeah, let's take this off. All right, there you go. Oh man, this thing is pretty. All right, okay, let's turn this baby on. There you go. Here's the Apple logo. Yeah, while it's turning on, yeah, this is my second iPhone, which I ordered for the family member, so I got two. So I guess you guys can tell my obsession with gold iPhones. But yeah, this is obviously not mine. This one's gonna be mine.